Hello children. So, how is the weather? Yes, very cold. All are feeling cold, wearing sweaters and all. Yes. So, we were learning about the seasons, no? In the last video, I have taught you about two seasons. Which were that two? Oh, yes, summer and winter. Yes, we learnt about the two seasons, summer and winter. In summer, we feel very hot. We feel hot, no? Yes, and we need air condition. We need coolers to keep ourselves cool. And which type of clothes do we wear? Do we wear sweaters and all in summer? No, we wear light thin cotton clothes. No, to keep us cool. And what we enjoy eating in summer? Yes, cold drinks. We drink cold drinks, eat ice creams. And which fruit we enjoy? Yes, mango and watermelon. Yes, in summer we eat lot of mangoes, and especially in summer vacation. Mummy make mango juices and all, no? Oh, yes, and even in summer we go to hill station in cool atmosphere. As it is very hot here, we go to hill station to keep ourselves cool, enjoy the holidays. Okay, and we also learned about winter. These are winter months, no? December and January are winter months, and we feel very cold. Why? Because the sun shines mildly. Yes, sun shines mildly, so we feel very cold. And what we do to protect ourselves from this cold weather? We wear sweaters, we wear woolen clothes like sweaters, overcoats, jackets, mufflers, caps, gloves, so many things we wear to protect ourselves from this cold atmosphere. Yes, and what do we do to keep ourselves warm? Yes, we make a bonfire, we lit a bonfire and sit around it to keep ourselves warm. Yes, and in winter we like to drink hot things, no, hot chocolate, hot coffee and all. Okay, now today in this video I am going to teach you some more seasons about rainy season. We are going to learn about the rainy season. Rainy season, we experience rainy season in the month of July, August and September. Soon after the summer, we experience rainy season. In the month of July, August and September, it rains a lot. Roads are filled with water. Everywhere you can see water. Water, water, water as it rains. So, the roads are filled with water, and it becomes very difficult to go from one place to another, to travel from one place to another. It is very difficult. In rainy season, as the roads are blocked with water, no vehicles can move. So, we feel very difficult to travel from one place to another in rainy season. We wear raincoats and or carry umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. What do we wear in rainy season? Do we wear woolen clothes? No. Why? Woolen clothes keeps us warm, not save us from rain, but to protect ourselves from rain, we wear either raincoats or we carry umbrella when we go out in the rain. Children, when it is raining in the morning and when it is your school time, what will you do? Yes, mom will make you wear raincoats and everything and then send you to the school, no? To save yourself from becoming wet. So, we use umbrellas or raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. Then comes the autumn season. What is autumn season? It comes after monsoon, in the month of October and November. It is already gone in October and November. The autumn season comes. The weather is pleasant. Now, it is not very hot and not very cold. Weather is pleasant, and some trees shed their leaves. Some of the trees, no, they shed all the leaves and only you can see the branches and the trunk of the tree. Then slowly after in the spring season, new leaves comes on the tree. So, in autumn season, the plants shed their leaves and it comes in the month of October and November. You can see here, many of the plants shed their leaves. Then comes the spring season. Spring season comes after winter. Winter is December and January. After the winter gets over, the spring season starts in the month of February and March. The days are very pleasant and colorful. Days are very pleasant. You will enjoy in spring season, as it is not very cold. The cold has decreased and still it is not hot. So, the days are very pleasant and colorful. Why colorful? Because the flower blooms everywhere. You can see the trees also full of flowers, and everywhere so many flowers bloom during this spring season. Plants get new leaves, and plants also get new leaves in the spring season. In autumn season, the trees which have shed their leaves, they get new leaves in spring season. We feel happy and cheerful in spring season. We feel very happy. We like to go out to play in garden and all. Why? Because everywhere flowers, and you can see butterflies and all also in spring season. So, it is very pleasant and cheerful season, and we like enjoying spring season. You can see here children, spring season, so many flowers start blooming, and there are so many butterflies and all we can see around us, and the season is very pleasant. So, these are the seasons. Okay, we have learnt about the rainy season, we have learnt about the autumn. In rainy season it rains a lot, and it is very difficult to travel from one place to another place, and the July, August and September are the month of the rainy season. Understood? And then we learned about the autumn season. Autumn, trees shed their leaves, atmosphere is also very pleasant, and it comes in the months of October and November. Yes, and December and January is again winter season. Then in February and March is the spring season, which is very pleasant. The atmosphere is very pleasant. We feel very cheerful, happy, everywhere the flower blooms, and it is a colorful season. So, these are the 5 main types of seasons which we experience in our country. Okay children, thank you.